Hello, my name is Hannah Marfia, and in this film we will be investigating some of the common misconceptions about juicing, as well as answering the question, is juicing really as healthy as people say? PhD in health education, and he's a professor here at Appalachian, and he sat down to talk with me about some health benefits and some cons associated with the juicing trend.
It's an apple, the fiber. You keep the fiber with the juice, and the sugar in the blood is more steady, it's more regulated. Apple juice. About 15 years ago, the American Academy of Physicians determined that a 6 to 10 ounce glass of pure fruit juice, apple juice, unsweetened, caused hypoglycemia and hyperinsulinism in small children. And the other thing is 100 grams of sugar in a candy bar, which is very easy to get, will knock down T helper cells for about 3 hours, so the immune system doesn't function properly. So the old juicers that were very expensive, and some of the newer ones will separate the fiber. Big mistake.
What are some benefits of juicing correctly?
Well, I think getting that whole arsenal of phytochemicals from vegetables and fruits. The beauty of the orange juice is it tends, according to Ayurvedic medicine, to detoxify the bloodstream and the body. It's a wonderful disinfectant.
Okay. Some people say that we don't need to, quote, detoxify the body because the liver does that. What would you say to those people?
Oh, I would say kidney and liver, liver necrosis are high on the list of diseases in this country. And actually, some of the research is beginning to show that there are some protein molecules and microbes, actually some microbes in beef and pork that cannot be destroyed even with high heat. They end up as stimulating the processes of cellular reproduction in an unbridled fashion. So the quality of the food that we eat determines whether or not we have toxicity. And the human digestive system, when you spread it out, it's the size of Kid Brewer football stadium. And colorectal cancer is very high in meat-eating cultures. Less likely in cultures that eat fruits and vegetables as a primary source of their proteins. Eat the fiber that's required in our diet. We don't cleanse the intestines. The cleansing really occurs as a scrubbing device when we have fiber. And the juicing has to keep the fiber. If it doesn't, it isn't doing the same work. And then you have that oversecretion of insulin because even natural sugars will cause that. People are more knowledgeable and careful about what they put in their power equipment in their bodies, though.
Traditional juicer. It works by extracting the pulp from vegetables and fruit, and the fiber, or the hard part of the fruit and veggies, gets put into that part of the container, and then the juice comes out into this pitcher. This is not a good method because it removes all of the fiber from your food, and it can cause serious health problems like diabetes. I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes that I use when juicing. It involves using spinach, bananas, and water. So it's really simple, and it helps you get a couple servings of fruit and veggies. So here it is. This is a regular traditional blender, and I just made green juice by putting 2 cups of spinach, 2 cups of water, and a banana in there. And this gives you both fruits and vegetables, which is important to have a balance in your diet, and it does not extract the fiber from your food, which the juicer does. So when I'm juicing, I actually do what is called pulping, which is retaining all of the nutrients and fiber in your food. A variety of different veggies and fruits when you're juicing will help maximize the nutritional value of what you're eating, as well as make it easier to get your 8 servings a day of fruits and veggies.